Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be doing this Valentine's Day look. It's very subtle. You can switch it up with the colors that you want. So today I'm going to show you how I blended in 3 different colors to make this look like one whole color. So guys, you can switch up the lip as well. I just changed it because I didn't like the full nude that I did at the end of this video. So I will leave it in this video and you guys can see how I actually did it. So without any further ado, let's just hop into this video. So guys, we start with the color Plum. And then I just work above my crease area. So I lift my eyebrow up a little so that I could get to work in that area. I blend out with a super fluffy brush. This is the Scarlet Heel package brush. So I'm just going to blend out here a little bit so that everything just becomes so seamless. To make the crease more defined, I go in with a little bit of black and I buff this with the purple that is here. Now I grab onto the brush Bare Petal, the color Bare Petal, and I just carve out around my crease. So just like how that looks, I'm going to try and recreate the crease area. And now I'm going to blend them together. Coming up for eyeliner. I'm going to apply some mascara. And now we wait for the lash to dry. So guys, this is what it looks like without a lash, and this is what it looks like with a lash. So without and with, you can see lashes really make a difference. So guys, now we are tackling the bottom part of the eyes. I'm going in with the most subtle color purple. No, the Bare Petal. I'm going in with the Bare Petal so that I'm creating this here. Thereafter, I'm going in with the color Plum. So that's the darker purple. I'm blending the two together like what I did on the side. Now I'm going to go back in with some mascara. Thereafter, go in with some liner for the inner part of my eye. So I'm taking a thin brush and thereafter coloring in my waterline. And now for the inner corner of my eye, I'm just going in and coloring this in. So now coming up for the rest of the makeup, I'm just going to go in with some powder and do up my under eyes. So my under eye area, I just want to tension that up. Now coming up for a blush. And now I'm going to use the same color as my inner corner eye for my glow. So guys, because there is so much of focus on the eye, so I am going to go in with some of nude lipstick.